welcome back to my channel. It's me, FIERS FEMME, and today we are going to be doing a makeup look. I'm going to fix my hair as well, but I'm not sure if I want it to be 2 videos. If it is, you will notice it. Now, today the makeup look that I'm going to try is a trend that is labeled the makeup trend of 2021, and it's called graphic lines. And then on my skin, I'm going to be doing the other trend, which is dolphin skin. And dolphin skin is basically just illuminated skin, highlighted skin, radiant skin, right? So I want to show you guys how that looks on my complexion, and maybe if you want to try it, you could definitely follow what I did. So yeah, let's get into it. And if you like this video at the end, just give me a thumbs up and a like, and leave a comment, and definitely turn on my notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos that I drop. Now let's get into it. Okay, so before I get to my makeup, I'm going to do something to my hair. I'm just going to style it real quick. I was thinking I want to do it in 4 little buns, like bantu knots. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. I like putting my hair in styles, especially when my retwist has been done for like a week. I start putting them in styles. So I have my little rubber bands. I have my rubber bands right here in the container. I keep all my Talent-T. So let me get this stuff out away. I keep my Talent-T jars from my ice cream that I used to eat. I no longer eat or drink any dairy products, but when I did, I love Talent-T, the caramel. I think it was called caramel something. I can't remember. But now I I eat their sorbets. So I keep the containers and I reuse them for like rubber bands and little knickknacks that I have around the house. Recycling. So that's what I have my rubber bands in. And now I'm gonna part my hair where I want it, just in the middle. I need to put some more spray in here, so I'm just gonna use my other spray, which is rose water and glycerin. I usually put it in the bottle, but my bottles were pretty full until I did. My boyfriend's here yesterday, so he took all my aloe juice in his hair. Okay, so now I'm gonna style it, and I don't need to really twist. I just like it, making sure my front looks kind of fresh. So I'm gonna part it down and just grab. Basically, this will be one. And if you haven't seen my last bantu video, it's like the same concept. I will link it in the description box below. Let's see if I want to do it like this. I'll know once I'm done. So we're gonna do some space buns. I don't know, is it just me? I think like everybody has one side of their head that has more hair than the other. Okay, so let's freshen this up right here. We'll tuck what comes out after. I like to make sure my sides aren't pulling that much. And then now I'm gonna go in the back and hopefully I get a straight line. So now I have 4 buns. And now I'm gonna fix the hairs that are poking out like this. And then you take a rubber band and yeah. So that's the easiest thing if you don't want to put. Alright, I just wanted to do something real fast. I think this is cute. I could pull this out and keep that like that. Trying to match this to the other side. No, go sit. Okay, so those are my little makeshift petals for now. And now I'm going to do my edges. Oh, there you go. Right. Okay, now let's get into this makeup look. So stay tuned for part 2.